Hello everybody, Lord Almighty here. Today is Friday, August 14th, 2020, and the last time I came to this pond, I set myself up with a mission. I wanted to see if I could find a midsummer bite that thus far had eluded me. Well, towards the end of the trip, I managed to put something together, catching fish on wacky rig Senkos fished in deeper water. But, as we all know, one fishing trip does not a reliable pattern make. One day it works, and the rest of the time, it's just a bust. So I decided to come back and see if that little bit of activity that we found last time wasn't just a fluke. So I'm going to be fishing the same types of areas with the same type of lure. The only thing that's different is I'm using a bigger Senko this time. Instead of a 4-inch model, I'm using a 6-inch one. Because there's some big bass in this lake, and I'm hoping that a bigger bait will tempt one of those guys to bite. Well, first cast, broke it off. That's not a good sign. Oh, just got to tie on another one. Am I snagged again? God, how am I getting snagged with a weightless wacky rig? This is weird. See if I can get this one out, because I'm actually running out of 6-inch Senkos. Nope, it's not coming out that way. Let's try the other way. Ah, there we go. Got it that time. Might as well finish up the cast. Go. What is this? This is a can. I didn't think it felt like a fish. Sugar-free tab. Looks like this thing's been in here a while. Well, this is one catch that is not getting thrown back. Except for in a garbage can. Oh, look at that top. How long has it been since people have used that style top for cans? Huh. Well, guys, I gave it a solid half hour and the Senko did not produce. Which is interesting because this is exactly the same spot of the pond where I was having my bites on the Senko last time. So, what I would like to try is I'm going to take this swim bait and I'm going to toss it around in this area and see if that's going to trigger any bites, because I have seen some small fish swimming around and I think they might be shad, and swim baits are excellent shad imitators. Well, I got absolutely no bites on that swim bait, so what I'm going to do is I switched back to a wacky rig Senko. And I went back to the exact one that I was using last time. Sometimes size and color make a huge difference. Not all the times, but sometimes. Sometimes fish get so keyed in on a certain bait, certain color, certain profile, they won't even look at anything else. Just to put it in comparison, consider this. If you go to a steakhouse and you're really in the mood for a steak, are you even going to look at the rest of the menu? Oh, wow. He hit that right at my feet almost. Easy, buddy boy. That was kind of an awkward hook set and fish landing job, but it got the job done. Oh, look at that. We got a bunch of canoers out at that end of the lake. Now, I know people keep their canoes and kayaks at this lake. I've actually just never seen anybody using them before. Interesting. Lovely evening for some canoeing to boot. Oh, look at this. Looks like other people fish the Wacky Rig Senko here too. That's kind of a dumb thing to say because, yeah, just about every pond in the country somebody's fishing a Wacky Rig Senko in it. It's just the thing to do. Okay, I have made a decision. I am going to finish out the evening fishing around the area where I caught the bass last time. Conditions right now are similar to what they were when I had success last time. So if the fish's location in this pond is influenced by conditions, then they should be here. If not, well, then I guess I'm just back to square one. Oh, wow. I was almost going to call it quits. And this guy just grabbed it and started swimming off with it. He is not big. But you know what? It's something. It's a little bit of validity to the pattern that I found before. Senko, Wacky Rig, deep water. Well, guys, that is it. Now, you might not think that catching 2 dink bass in almost 3 hours constitutes a successful fishing trip. And objectively, you're not wrong. But remember that success is relative. Given how difficult this place fishes in the summertime, I think I'm onto something. I was able to build on the success I had last time using the same pattern in the same locations, and I was able to catch fish. And that gives me confidence that if I keep doing that in the dog days of summer at this pond, I will avoid being served up a slice of humble pie. Instead, I just might get another can of delicious, refreshing, sugar-free tab. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next adventure.